Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Pakistan has upgraded its Nasr tactical nuclear missile system. The improved variant features enhanced precision, extended range, and integrated launch platforms for rapid deployment in battlefield conditions. Pakistan's Foreign Office firmly denies claims of targeting the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Officials labeled the reports as false and irresponsible, reaffirming Pakistan's respect for all religious sites. Reports suggest China may transfer its HQ-19 anti-ballistic missile system to Pakistan. Designed to intercept medium to intermediate range threats, it could enhance Pakistan's upper-tier missile defense. Chinese defense stocks surged after reports of India-Pakistan clashes. Analysts say investor confidence rose on expectations of increased exports to Pakistan and rising regional defense demands. An Indian defense think tank claims China provided Pakistan with real-time satellite imagery during regional tensions. This support may have improved Pakistan's surveillance and targeting capabilities. Hey everyone, welcome to Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Let's get straight into the big stories. Here are today's detailed headlines. Hit that subscribe button for more updates. In a significant statement aimed at regional stability, senior military officials from both India and Pakistan have confirmed that the May 2025 ceasefire agreement along the line of control remains open-ended. Officials say the agreement has no expiry date and continues to serve as a key mechanism for avoiding escalation. Despite periodic tension, the ceasefire has largely held, helping prevent full-scale military confrontations. Strategic analysts view this as a crucial step in reducing conflict risk in South Asia, where both nations possess nuclear weapons. According to a recent global report by the Federation of American Scientists, Pakistan's nuclear arsenal has grown to approximately 200 to 300 warheads. This steady increase reflects Islamabad's continued focus on maintaining credible minimum deterrence against regional threats. Pakistan's delivery systems, including ballistic and cruise missiles like Shaheen-3 and Babur, have seen technological improvements. Experts say Pakistan's nuclear doctrine remains posture-driven, primarily aimed at countering conventional force imbalances with India. Following the intense military skirmishes of early May 7th and 8th, 2025, Pakistan has significantly reinforced its positions along the line of control. Reports indicate troop presence has doubled in key sectors, with added surveillance drones and artillery assets deployed. Defense officials cite heightened alert levels due to continued Indian military buildup and provocative exercises near the border. The Pakistani military emphasizes that the deployment is defensive in nature, ensuring territorial integrity and rapid response capability. Facing increased drone incursions from Pakistan, India has activated a multi-layered air defense strategy. This includes vintage systems like the L-70 and Zu 23mm guns, the mobile Shilka units, and the advanced S-400 missile defense system. These deployments have proven effective in neutralizing drone threats, showcasing India's commitment to protecting its airspace with both legacy and modern technologies. In May 10, 2025, during Operation Sindoor, India launched a series of BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles targeting key Pakistani airbases, including Nurkan and Bolari. Despite Pakistan's air defense systems, several missiles penetrated defenses, causing significant damage. Analysts attribute this to the high-speed and low-altitude flight of the BrahMos, which challenged existing radar and interception capabilities. The incident underscores the need for Pakistan to enhance its air defense infrastructure to counter advanced missile threats effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.